Welcome to Imran Tech. This video we can see how we can change of our Android app project name. Here we can see our project name dot com dot imran eir dot imuslimlite. We can change that. So at first we go gear icon and T appearance. Now I deselect compact middle package. Now we can see our package name divided 3. At first we change our package name. So select package name and click right button. Now click refactor and rename and click all directories. So here enter our package name. I want to change my package name Muslim and click refactor. We can see search. We can see here do refactor. So we'll click it and change our package name. Now we can see